Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn account permanently and save profile info, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of uninstalling your LinkedIn account, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the Me icon, which features your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, you will find several options on the left sidebar. Click on Account Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Account Management section. Within this section, look for the option labeled Close Account. Click on Close Account to initiate the account deletion process. You will be prompted to select a reason for closing your account. Choose a reason from the list that appears, or select Other if your reason is not listed. After selecting your reason, click on Next. LinkedIn will now ask you to confirm your decision by entering your password. Type your password into the required field and click Close Account to finalize the deletion. It's essential to back up your profile information before you uninstall your account. To save your profile information, go back to Settings and Privacy. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Select the information you wish to download or choose all of the above for a comprehensive backup. After making your selection, click Request Archive. You will receive an email from LinkedIn with a download link to your data. This may take a few minutes to a few days, depending on the amount of data. Once you receive the email, click on the link provided to download your information. After you've successfully downloaded your data, return to the account deletion process. Finalizing your account closure means that your profile and all associated data will be permanently deleted. Ensure you've saved any important connections or information before proceeding. Having completed all steps, your LinkedIn account is now uninstalled permanently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.